These rustic garlic mashed potatoes are creamy, garlicky, and best of all, made in a slow cooker. This hands-off side dish is super easy to make ahead, so what are you waiting for? Add 3 pounds of baking potatoes that you've peeled and cut into 2-inch chunks into a 3.5 or 4-quart slow cooker. Yukon Golds or Russets are both great choices. Add 6 cloves of garlic cut in half and 1 bay leaf. Now pour 2 14-ounce cans of seasoned roasted garlic chicken broth over the potatoes. Cover the slow cooker and cook on either the low heat setting for 6 to 8 hours or the high heat setting for 3 to 4 hours. Next, add 1 cup of whole milk and 1/4 cup of butter in a small saucepan. Heat it on medium-low heat until the milk is steaming and the butter is melted. When the potatoes are completely tender, drain them in a colander set over a bowl so you can catch and save the cooking liquid. Return the potatoes to the slow cooker. Remove and discard the bay leaf. Now, mash them with a potato masher. Add the milk mixture to the mashed potatoes and season with 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir all of this together. If you like your potatoes a little thinner or smoother, add some of the reserved cooking liquid to reach the consistency you like. You can practically smell the garlic. Just before serving, add a pat of butter or 2 if you like, grind a little fresh black pepper over the potatoes, and garnish with fresh chopped herbs. Rustic garlic mashed potatoes.